In this video, I will show you how you can disable Now Brief and Now Bar on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. On this page, you will find the option for Now Bar. Now just tap on it. Over here, you will find a few options. Now to disable Now Bar on your Samsung phone, just tap on See All and disable all these options. Now, after you disable all these features, you will disable Now Bar on your Samsung phone. Now to turn off Now Brief, just go back and disable Now Brief from here. Also turn off these three options to turn off Now Bar completely, just like that. Now after you disable all these options, you will turn off Now Bar and Now Brief on your Samsung phone, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.